Hello, hi, good evening.
Hello sir, good evening.
Sir.
Hi, good evening. Okay, so last class we discussed about enterprise structure, and still one more configuration is pending in enterprise structure, that is controlling. In controlling we need to maintain controlling area. First I'll create controlling area, then I'll explain what is the purpose of creating controlling area. Okay. For that I'll come to SAP and I'll go to IMG. First I'll log into the SAP. Okay, I'll go to enterprise structure, and in enterprise structure, in definition, we are having module called controlling. But here I'm not going to create controlling area because here it is incomplete. Here it is incomplete. So I'll go with controlling module directly. I'm not going to create controlling area in enterprise structure. Controlling area I'm going to create in controlling module. Okay, so I'll go with controlling module, and in controlling I'll go with general controlling, then organization, then click on maintain controlling area. T code is OKKP. And here double click on maintain controlling area. Then click on new entry. Controlling area I can give in the name of company code. So just in last class we created company code as a RPL, right? Same name we can give here as controlling area, like RPL only. Okay, RPL. Then here I need to input the description as controlling area for company code RPL. Okay, then click on controlling area equals company code button. There is a button called controlling area equals company code button. Just click on that. Then it will ask for your company code. Here I need to input my company code in this box. My company code is RPL. Enter. Once you enter, what will happen? See, all the configurations which we copied, that can be displayed here. That can be viewed here, right? So currency type, currency INR, chart of account we never created, field status, fiscal year variant we never created, right? So at the time of creation of company code, hope you remember, at the time of company code creation we copied these parameters, right? This called as global parameter. This copied from SAP source file. So that's the reason I can able to see the data here. Okay, now here assignment control, company code equals controlling area. If you click on that, we are having two options: controlling area, same as company code. Second one is cross company code transaction. If I'm going to select controlling area, same as company code, then I can assign this controlling area to one company code only. If I'm going to select this one, controlling area same as company code, then this controlling area I can be assigned to one company code only. Suppose if you're having many company codes but only one controlling area, then I need to select this one. If I'm going to select cross company code accounting, then I can select this controlling area. I can assign this controlling area to many company codes. So according to your requirement, you can change this. Here I am going to use only one company code. I am going to assign one controlling area to one company code. So that's the reason I am going to select controlling area same as company code. Okay, then here cost center standard hierarchy. Cost center standard hierarchy means it's a group. Okay, here cost center means cost center is nothing but department. Cost center is nothing but department in a company. Department like admin department or HR department, like that. Okay, here it is as per cost center hierarchy. So what I will do, I will going to give hierarchy as my company code RPL. I will tell you where it is using, where we are going to use that controlling cost center hierarchy. So right now I am giving RPL as my standard hierarchy. Then click on save button. Okay, once you click on that save button, you will get the message like this. There system is telling, should system RPL be created as a standard hierarchy? Should system RPL be created as a standard hierarchy? Yes, click on yes and it will get saved. Click on yes, it will get saved. Now this controlling area I can assign to company code. This controlling area I can assign to company code here itself. So double click on company code here, click on new entry. My company code is RPL, press enter. Like that I can assign many company code here. See, this is a controlling area and here is a company code. I can assign more than one company code here. Save this. Okay, enter and save this. Then double click on activate components or control indicator. So I need to activate some component which is there in the system. For purpose I need to activate some components. So double click on activate components and control indicator. Here click on new entries and here input fiscal year. Fiscal year is my financial year. Fiscal year 2022. Enter, and to fiscal year it will take automatically. It will take automatically. Here we are having so many components which is not active status, which is in not active status, like cost center is not active, then order management is not active, commitment management is not active, then profitability analysis is not active, activity based costing is not active, many things are not active. For our configuration purpose, I require cost center. So I'm going to make this component as active. Select cost center, component is active and save. Once you click on save, you will give information like this: critical transport control indicator in controlling area. Just ignore this warning and save this. Just ignore this warning and save this. Fine, these are the things I need to maintain in controlling area. So order management, commitment management, profitability analysis, activity based costing, and these are all, no need to select anything here. So just I require cost center to maintain my configuration in So what is the purpose of controlling area? So controlling area, why we require? Say when you are going to purchase any material, or any physical material, if you are purchasing physical material, then the process is as follows. Say you are looking for 100 quantity of some spare parts or some bolts. Assume that 100 quantity bolts required So what you need to do, what you are going to do, you are going to place an order, right? Place an order, like purchase order you are going to post, purchase order. The purchase order we are going to send to vendor, right? So I require so much of material and vendor has quoted some price. The quantity into price will get value. The purchase order will go to vendor. Vendor is going to check for the material availability. Check for material availability. Okay. Then if he is having the material, then he is going to deliver the material. And once we receive the material, we are going to show the entry as goods received. So this is normal procedure when we are purchasing the material, physical material, right? So here in purchase order we are going to input say 100 quantity, assume that price will be maybe 50 rupees, 100 into 50, 5,000, right? This is what we call as value. This is value and this one is quantity, right? 100 quantity and quantity into price, it called as value, right? So after goods receipt, two document is going to generate. Number one document or first document, finance document or FI document. So in this document we can view. So in this document we can view total purchased value. So value will go to finance department because the payment will be done through finance department. That's the reason value will go to finance department, because finance the FI department will take care of payment to vendor. So it is very important that value should go to finance module or finance department. Second one, document will be generated. In this document we can view total purchased quantity, because people is going to take care of inventory. Okay, so people is going to take care of inventory. So that's the reason the quantity will go to department. The quantity, then value will go to finance department and quantity will go to department, right? Suppose, assume that when you are purchasing physical material, the process is like that. Sometimes apart from material or physical material, we need to purchase some services. Services means what kind of services? Services which is not regular, and services which is not comes under company's payroll, Services which is not regular, like services which is not regular, like means our company is involved or company is looking for paint for their building, painting services they require, right? Then machine maintenance. These are all not regular, right? These are all not regular. Like that, services which is not comes under company's payroll. For your company or your plant, you need to secure. For that, you require security guard. Security guard you require. Or to clean your premises, you require housekeeping. So these employees will not come under company's payroll. There is a separate agency is there. They are going to take care of. They are going to take care of these kind of services. They are going to provide the services. So assume that I require 10 security guard to take care or to secure my plant and company. So company is ready to pay 10,000 rupees as salary. 10,000 rupees as salary. Okay. 10 security guards are required to secure my plant and company. So company is ready to pay 10,000 as salary. Okay. So what I'll do, I'm going to send my request to in purchase order. Send my request in my purchase order. Say I'm looking for 10 security guard into 10,000. How much is the value? 1 lakh, right? Again, purchase order I'm going to post to vendor. Now vendor is going to deliver the services. Then, and in our system, I'm going to show it as received, right? But here no goods receipt is possible, right? Because I'm not purchased any material. I purchased services, but without goods receipt, these two documents will not generate. This without GR, these two documents will not generate. So if I'm not able to generate the two document, then it is not possible to transfer the value from MM to FI, right? It's not possible to generate. If I'm not able to generate the document, then it is not possible to transfer the value from MM to FI. Then how to transfer? Without transferring the value, FI people will not make the payment to vendor. If a company is not paying the salary, then it is very difficult to continue the services, right? So in this kind of situation, we are having cost center. Okay, so if we purchase any services, then the value will go to finance department or FICO department, finance and controlling department through cost center. So here in our case, whenever we purchase any material, there is no restriction or there is no requirement of cost center. If I am going to purchase services, then I require cost center. That's the reason I activated controlling area. Cost center comes under controlling area, right? Cost center comes under controlling area. So I maintain the cost center and controlling area as well. When I am purchasing material, there is no requirement of cost center. If I am going to purchase the services, then I need to maintain cost center. In real time, these configurations will be provided by FICO department or FICO consultant. But here I need to, or I am going to maintain like this. Any doubt is there?
ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ when we do it practically, I think then we will understand it properly compared to the last
ಓಕೆ
configurations and
ಓಕೆ
okay, ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು
ಹಾಂ ಹೌದು
we
ಹೌದು
have to again review.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಹಲೋ
ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಾವೇ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಾವು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ ನೀವೇ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ 2022 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ.
ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಇಯರ್. ಹೌದು, ಇದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಇಯರಿಗೆ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಇದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 2021 ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲಲ್ವ, 2021 ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. So we are in 2022, so that's the reason I need to mention. If I am going to mention 2022, that is okay, but now we are in 2022, right? So that's the reason I need to mention which fiscal year is required. So that fiscal year I need to mention here. Okay, anything else? Okay, if not, I'll move to MS, right? You tell me. MS. You tell me, MS. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Am I audible?
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Sir, we entered this purchase orders for this any item which will be one time or two time. Right, sir? Okay. If we go for the services, it is not also regular, but in that case, you are giving an example for the security. Like, it will be some schedule, like every 1 month we have to generate all these things, or it will come?
We need to generate manually. We need to generate. So whenever we are paying the salary for security guards, we need to maintain or we need to show it in purchase order, right? So for that purpose, we require cost center. Fine. Okay, so this is end of enterprise structure. Now we'll come to financial accounting. There I need to do some configurations, and as well as I need to check some configurations. Okay, so after enterprise structure, we'll come to financial accounting to check configurations, which we copied from SAP source file. 3001 or 1000 or 4300. So we are going to copy some parameters, right? So here I need to come in financial accounting, I am going to check that one. And in that particular configurations, say that is what we call as enter global parameter. Enter global parameter. So in that T code is OBY6. In that parameter, I require posting period. I require, or I am going to check posting period. Which posting period is copied to my company code? I need to check. What is posting period is? Posting period, what is posting period? Any idea what is posting period? I think regarding posting I told. Posting means what are all transaction we used to post, like purchase order, as we discussed. Purchase order, it is an posting, or it is a transaction, or it is a document. Period means in which month we are posting. Say we are in February, right? We are in February. So February month we used to post the entry, right? So I need to tell my system that on which year, on which period I am going to post the entry. We are in 2022, right? And in 2022, in which month? February month. I need to tell my system in which are all months I am going to post the entry. So that is, I need to show that one. So means open and close posting period. Open and close posting period. So what is open and what is close? So open means we are in this year, this open, and close means 2021. 2021 is close for us, right? So it is accounting terminology. If you not understood, don't worry about all these things. You just understood, or just understand like this. Posting means what are the entries we used to, means end user used to enter, or end user used to post in the system. That is what we call as posting. Period means month and year. Month and year. So here first I will come to OBY6 T code. There I am going to check whether these configurations has copied or not. Okay, at the time of creation of company code, we copied some parameters, right? So that I need to come here and I need to check. And in that, I am going to check whether posting period has copied to my system or not. Okay, first I will go to OBY6. Okay, I will minimize controlling here. And in IMG level, we are having two financial accounting and financial accounting new. Financial accounting, this is what we call as financial accounting classic. Classic means old one, and financial accounting new. New means new concept. You can go any one of these option, or you can use any one of these option, or if you want to configure anything, you can use any one of these folder. Okay, I'll go with financial accounting, then financial accounting global setting, then company code here, and click on enter global parameter. T code is OBY6. T code is OBY6. Okay, so just click on that. Here I am not going to do any configurations, just I am going to check whether this configuration which we copied from SAP source file, that is there or not. Okay, so I will click on that, and here click on position, and here I input my company code as RPL, enter, double click on RPL. If you observe here, some parameters is showing in here, right? Like chart of account is there, credit control area, fiscal year, then field status, posting period. So this parameters has been copied from SAP source file to my company code. This is my company code. We copied from SAP source file. Okay, I can able to come here and we can see the parameter here. In this screen, I require posting period variant. Posting period variant. So what is the purpose of posting period? As I told you, posting means while posting the entries, end user required to tell system in which month and which year they are posting the entries. It's very important. Why? Because so on monthly wise we can generate the report. If I'm going to maintain like this, I'm going to generate the report in monthly wise or quarterly wise like that. So posting period is very important. Posting period, like my posting period variant is 1000, right? Posting period is 1000. Okay, I'll let you know what is this. ADKMS. I'll explain, don't worry. Okay, here from period okay, so it is like this. Okay, so account type is ADKMS, and here I'll leave blank. Okay, from period 1 2022 12 2022 13 2021 16 2020. So I'll copy this. Okay, so it will be like this. So what is it means? So I'm using this posting period, means that this posting period has copied from SAP source file, right? And these are the account types, and here plus stands for all types of accounts. Account. A stands for asset account, and D stands for, this is standard account type which is maintained in the system, customer account. K stands for vendor, M stands for material, S stands for general ledger. So this is account type. Okay, then account, from account and to account I'm not maintaining, I'm leave blank. And from account means Jan to December. From account, one is January till 12. 12 means December, right? In the month, in the year of 22-22, and means from 1st of January 2022 till 31st of December, we can able to post all these kind of entries. So it is purely finance configurations, finance related configurations. Okay. So here I am telling my system that for this variant assigned to my company code, right? So this variant from 1st of January of 2022 and till 31st of December 2022 I can able to post within this account. And what is this? So this is what we call as special period, special periods. So in a month or sorry, in a year we are having 12 months, right? In a year 12 months is there, right? So one period is considered as 1 month. Okay, so 1 month equals 1 period. So 12 period is there, that is 12 normal period. So where we can post entries or transactions. We can able to post entries or transactions in present year, right? And there will be 4 special period, as I told you, 4 special period 13, 14, 15 and 16. We can use 4 special periods to post the entries in closed periods. So what is the purpose of posting entries in closed periods? For some adjustment entries. So why we are posting the entries? To maintain the adjustment entries we require to post the transactions or entries in closed periods. Okay, so here 12 plus 4, 16 periods is there. 12 periods, normal periods means 1 month considered as 1 period. In that normal periods, we can post the entries or transaction in present year. So that is open. And this one is closed. 2021 is already closed. So if I want to post the entries in closed period, then I need to use special periods. So why we require to post the entries in closed period? To maintain our adjustment entries. To balance the balance sheet, we require some adjustment entries to post in the closed period. That will be taken care by FI person. But here you people need to come here. You need to check whether for this year, this is my present year, right? This is my present year. This is already closed. After closing of 2021, we open 2022, right? So I need to come here. I need to test. First, you need to go to OBYC, then check which posting period is assigned to your company code. Then after that, come to this open and close posting period. T code is OB52, and check for this or for your variant or for your posting period, which is present period is mentioned in the system. If it is like this, then you can able to post the entries in 2022. Otherwise, system will not allow you to post the entries in 2022. Then again, you need to change manually. You can do the changes. If it is not like this, you need to change the manually, which is your present year. You need to mention. Okay. If it is like this, no changes need to maintain. Okay. So I'll come to first. I went with OBY6 and there I saw which posting period. Posting period 1000 is copied to my company code, right? So I'll come to main screen here again, and I'll minimize company code and I'll go with document, and there is a folder called posting period, and click on open and close posting period. T code is OB52. Click on that. So which is my variant? 1000, right? So 1000, this is my this variant, it has been assigned to my company code plus ADKMS. Okay, see, if you observe here, from account and to account number I am not mentioned, just I given ZZZZ like that, and 1 to 12 it's a normal period, 2022 is a present year, and someone has changed here, I need to change to 2021. So this one is 2021. You can do changes here. If you want, you can do changes. Okay. So you need to come here once and you need to test this configuration. Means you need to check this configuration whether for your variant the period is open to present year or not. See here some variant which is like this. Say I'll check this one. Okay, see here. If you observe here, variant 1992 is there. It is open 2018, and so some not completely maintained, right? So that's the reason. In this case, if this variant is assigned to your company code, then you cannot able to post the entry. So it should be like this. It should be like this. Then only you can able to post the entry. As I mentioned in Excel sheet also. Okay, if it should be like this, then only you can able to post the entry. It's very important, and it's very important configuration. Without doing this configuration or without maintaining these configurations, you people cannot post the entries in MM. Why MM? Because we are going to post the transaction related to vendor, related to material, right? So M stands for material, M stands for material, and K stands for vendor, right? So in MM we are going to maintain material and vendor also. Okay, so for that purpose I need to come and I need to check this configurations once. Fine. So any doubt is there? ಹಾಂ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಈಗ ಸೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು 2022ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ 2021 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಈ 2021ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ಗಳೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವು ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, 2021 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಜನವರಿಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ 2022 ಓಪನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಾಗೆ. ಈಗ 22 ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 31 ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ 2023ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 2022 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2023 ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇರೋದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ಗಳು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 2021 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಇರೋ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲಾಗಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು 13 ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಿದು, ರಾಂಗ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 13 to 16 4 ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 4 ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ 13, 14, 15 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 16 ಆ ಥರ. 12 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 13 ಅದು ಇದು ಮಾರ್ಚ್, ಇದು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2021ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ 13 ಅಂದರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Fine. So this is, you need to come here once, you need to check whether this posting period is open for present year or not, and which is your present year. You need to check it up once. But in real time, these configurations will be maintained by finance department. These configurations will be maintained by finance department. Okay. Any doubts?
OBYC andre ಏನು like I have heard it is a T code which is used for configuring the automatic account posting ಅಂತ.
Yeah, definitely. That's for integration. OBYC is for integration.
Integration between the finance.
Yeah, finance and MM department, right? Yes. Okay, fine. Today we'll stop here and we'll continue the class tomorrow. Okay, then bye. Good night.